We're going to start with vinyl composition tile as the product type. And for performance, vinyl composition tile has a ASTM F1066 is the performance standard. So there's a performance standard for each type of resilient flooring that I think is good for everyone to be aware of, so that when you're looking at those performance characteristics, you can also see what the performance is and what the methodology that's utilized for that performance. And I think understanding that better also provides us insights as to what the best product for the application is. So when we're looking at the production of VCT, there's two lines, one called the model line, which is those little chips that are made up that go into the final product, and then the mixture, overall mixture that creates the product itself, and in which that is then has an application of a finish and then is punch pressed into usually squares. 12 by 12 squares is what we're most commonly known, but there are other shapes as well. So VCT is a mixture of natural limestone, filler materials, thermoplastic binder, and color pigments. It's made by fusing those chips into solid sheets. So it's that model line process of the chips that then is included into the solid sheets and cutting them into tiles. VCT requires layers of polish to protect its porous surface because it's predominantly limestone is the main ingredient that is utilized in VCT. So when you look at the actual construction of VCT, it has the durable through pattern PVC wear layer and then a coating that is utilized to resist scratching and chemical resistance. Installation, although composition tile is a little bit thicker than some products, it is still just as important to make sure that the subfloor is smooth and is ready for installation in terms of all the things we talked about under the project conditions section. So advantages of vinyl composition tile include the modular flexibility. It does have large format shapes, sizes, and colors. It is a through pattern product, which means that when you have something happen at a surface, it still is all the way through the product in terms of the patterning and the design. It withstands heavy foot and rolling traffic, and many products include a factory finish. It has a very reasonable first cost, which is why it is often specified, particularly for budgets that are incredibly tight.